You messed the fabric.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, we need to put some studs in. Oh, wait. Let me get the knit. All right.
All
right, here we go.
All right, good. I think one more.
Yeah, one more. Yeah,
Like a little chameleon.
Do you see
Where's
me?
David?
I don't know. Have you seen Dave?
Oh boy, so many shag carpet memories. It was time for us to give the front of the cab a facelift. I started off by constructing new housing and framework for the speakers, as well as making sure the new upholstery had something we could staple into. I spent a lot of time soldering speaker wire and working with some of the extra bendy plywood we used on the back ceiling curve.
Finally, it was time to start laying some batting. So we went ahead and just put a single layer up above the bunk to kind of give a little cushion and also to round out our edges so that they weren't as severe once we laid the fabric. We got it all stapled in place, trimmed it up. And then it was finally time to start laying that fabric. So, the first step is to get this secured back here so that when we pull it over, you're not seeing the nails or the staples or anything. So I've just laid this board, Dave's idea, can't take credit. I'm just gonna make sure that my nail goes through that.
We took a break during one of our work days and did a really fun interview with a local news affiliate. They edited it so well, and we were really happy with how it turned out. Here's the piece.
Winston-Salem native Dave Thomas Brown was at the height of his acting career when the curtain fell on Broadway.
Was playing the role of a lifetime, the role I've always wanted, and when Broadway shut down, we were actually we were going to our wedding food tasting, and Broadway shut down.
Amelia Bay also works on Broadway as a hairstylist. With no job, the two took a chance on a 1979 Dodge Cruisemaster RV.
We have always loved camping, but just like the coziness of having a little home on wheels. So we've always wanted to kind of renovate homes.
The couple said they got a deal on the 70s era RV, complete with shag carpeting.
All right. Demolition, day one. This green shag in all its glory has got to go.
But bringing the camper up to date was no picnic.
Entire thing was water damaged. We took it down to like the aluminum shell, every stud, every wall. It was completely.
We had
it was
no
in
idea.
Way worse shape than we thought. Not ideal conditions.
They didn't give up. The theater team gave their project a name, BB and the RV, and the show was on. The shag was tossed, new cabinets installed, and the RV got a paint job. Plus, the transformation was logged on their social media channels. The renovation also gave the normally busy couple a chance to reconnect.
Is that it's given us personally a chance to spend a lot more time with each other
and our families.
And refocus our priorities.
So when the bright lights of New York returns to Broadway, the couple will be there, but they will probably take a detour.
We are going to take her on the road and give her some love and let people sort of enjoy her in some RV campgrounds. And we want to do this again. So we are absolutely going to sell her to the person who's going to love her just as much as we do.
In Forsyth County, Charles Ewing, Fox 8 News.
We got work to do. We could not have done this without Jeanette's help. Dave's mom was a huge asset in this and really the ringleader of the whole project. And here she is, going to town, getting shit done.
Might not work. We think we're safe to cut off all this excess.
Gift of the Magi.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, this should do.
Yeah, we'll just have to figure out where that looks, when does that happen? this guy needs to be.
Yeah, this will go first.
This guy needs to be tacked up here.
Yeah. So we need like a tack point here. And then you want to this one. Okay. Now